Interruption. You are truly the most bellissima woman I've ever seen in my whole life. I was so blinded from my love for Princess Peach that I didn't even realize that true love was standing right in front of me this whole time. We may have had a rough start in our relationship. We broke apart and remained as friends. But you found yourself back into my Italian heart once again, and I want to spend the rest of my life with you. Pauline Davidson, will you marry me?
Yes, I will.
Wonderful, hee hee.
What in the mushrooms?
Oh, hey, what's going on here? What's the matter for you?
The matter for me? You're snoring right in my face.
What? No, I wasn't. How would you know? Well, it's a valid question.
Respectfully, Mario, use your brain.
Yeah, I don't got nothing.
It's because you woke me up, Mario. That's how I know.
Ah, yeah, that makes a lot more sense. Sorry, I still got the sleepy brain.
I can see that. I don't know what happened to your snore, Mario, but you didn't snore like this yesterday, a week ago, a month ago, or even when we first dated. Now you sound like a pig now.
Funny you say that. I was just dreaming about angry.
You need to go see a doctor.
What? No, I don't, but I'm fine.
I don't think you are, Mario. You don't go from to... it sounds like you're trying to spit up something. It's gross.
Oh, Pauline, I'll probably go away when I go back to sleep.
That's not how it works, Mario.
You don't know that.
You know, you seem a little too confident in what you're saying. If you don't wake me up again, Mario, there's nothing wrong with you. But if you do wake me up again, oh, you are seeing a doctor because I care about your health and there's no way of you talking me out of it. Deal?
Okay, alright, it's a deal. Well, good night, Pauline. Love you.
Yeah, good night. Love you too. Okay. Oh, I'm so excited for our movie date, Mario. So what do you want to watch? Netflix or Disney?
Oh, you know we got a Netflix and chill.
Okay, Netflix it is.
Alright, let's get in the blankets and get comfy.
You said it. Okay, let's find a movie.
Oh yeah.
Not again. Oh, you are so seeing the doctor in the morning. Yeah, I'm not sleeping in here. I'm sleeping somewhere else.
Stupid birds.
I'm sure Luigi wouldn't mind if I stay in his room for tonight. I mean, he's with Daisy and Sarasalan. It's just for one night. May not be as comfy as me and Mario's bed, but it will do. Just ignore him, Pauline. Just close your eyes and go to sleep. Count Goombas. Just count Goombas. 1 Goomba, 2 Goombas, 3 Goombas. Well, that's not working. Come on, Pauline, think. How can I block out Mario's snore? Music. Headphones. That's gotta work! These headphones are way too comedically big for my head. But you know what? I don't even care, because I'm very confident that this is gonna work. Okay. You know what? They would have worked if they weren't so big. Well, that didn't work. Counting Goombas, listening to music. I need some sort of distraction so I can distract myself from Mario snoring. Wait, distraction? TV? TV's an amazing distraction! I'm gonna do that.
Jeffy, that sounds dangerous.
Pooping in a cheese grater sound.
I should have just stuck to old SML. New SML is just not the same. Oh, mamma mia. It's so boring. You know what? I'm turning this off.
Someone at the door.
You know, Mario has been awfully a lot quiet since I've been watching TV. But I'm not tired. My body is, but My mind is all wired up, and now I can't even go to sleep. Wait, that's it. My body is tired, but my mind is still awake. All I gotta do is tire out my mind, and I can go to sleep! I said that too loud. I can tire out my mind and go to sleep. Yes! The switch. That will be perfect! Oh, Pauline, you're a genius! The Super Mario Bros. Video game is definitely gonna wire me out. And for the last thing I'm gonna do is gonna knock this mare straight out. Alright. Let's go. Okay, that was so corny. Who cares? I'm gonna say it again. Let's go! Yeah! Oh yeah! Mario time! Okay, I'm definitely feeling it now. Phew, that worked, as expected. And now it's time to finally end this and go to sleep. If Rosalina can read this to her Lumas and have them fall asleep to the story, then there's no doubt that I can fall asleep to this story too. Bedtime story? Here I come. That was a good story. Yeah. I am so freaking tired. Huh? Oh, I'm falling asleep. I need to put this book back. And now for the switch. And then this mare's heading straight to bed.
We did it, pigs. We got the eggs. That was a pretty good dream about Angry Birds. Wait, Pauline, are you still awake?
No, I'm asleep.
Oh, Pauline, I'm so sorry that I kept you up. I'm gonna be honest, Pauline. I think that loud snoring had to be due to my Angry Birds dream. Man, in that case, I hope I dream about being a bird next time instead of a pig.
Me too.
Get some rest, Pauline. You're gonna need it. Good night. I love you.
Love you too.